Welcome to O2B Technologies. Today, we're diving into how you can bring Industry 4.0 right into your shop floor using Odoo Manufacturing. Industry 4.0 is the next evolution of manufacturing, where automation, IoT, AI, and real-time data combine to create smart factories. But how can you make this happen using Odoo? Odoo Manufacturing supports several key pillars of Industry 4.0. Automation through work centers and routings. IoT integration using Odoo's IoT box to connect sensors, barcode scanners, and machines. Real-time monitoring with live dashboards and KPIs. Smart quality control using automated triggers based on production results. Imagine this. A temperature sensor detects overheating in a CNC machine. Through Odoo's IoT box, it sends an alert, pauses the work order, and triggers a maintenance request automatically. That's Industry 4.0 in action. To implement this, start with the Odoo Manufacturing, Maintenance, and IoT modules. Then, connect your devices using the IoT box and configure smart triggers and KPIs for full visibility. With Odoo and Industry 4.0, you're not just building products, you're building efficiency, intelligence, and the future of your factory. Subscribe for more smart manufacturing tips. www.o2btechnologies.com